If you're seeing an access denied message in Google Chrome, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it step by step. This is a common issue, and it can happen for a few different reasons, including corrupted cookies, cached files, browser extensions, or even a VPN or proxy connection. The good news is that most of the time you can solve it in just a few minutes without needing any advanced technical skills. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, we're going to clear your browsing data. This is one of the most effective fixes because Chrome may be storing old site information that is causing the error. To do this, open Google Chrome, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner, and go to Settings. From there, click Privacy and Security, then choose Clear Browsing Data. When the pop-up appears, make sure you select cookies and other site data, as well as cached images and files. If you want, you can also choose a time range, like all time, to make sure everything is fully refreshed. Once those options are selected, click Clear Data and wait for Chrome to finish. After that, go back to the website and check if the access denied error is gone. If the site still won't load, the next thing to try is Incognito Mode. Open a new Incognito window by clicking the three-dot menu and selecting New Incognito Window, or use the keyboard shortcut if you prefer. Incognito Mode gives you a clean browsing session without using your regular cookies and many extensions. If the website works in incognito, that's a strong sign that the issue is coming from a cookie or an extension in your normal browser window. Now we know the problem is likely local to Chrome, so the next step is to disable your extensions. To do that, type Chrome//extensions into the address bar and press Enter. You'll see a list of all your installed extensions. Turn them off one by one, then refresh the website after each one to see when the issue disappears. This may take a little time, but it's the best way to find out which extension is blocking access. Sometimes privacy tools, ad blockers, script blockers, or security extensions can accidentally interfere with websites and trigger an access denied message. If turning off extensions doesn't fix it, the last major thing to check is whether you have a VPN or proxy turned on. Many websites block traffic that comes from shared IP addresses, which are often used by VPN services or proxies. If you're connected to a VPN, disconnect it and try loading the site again. If you're using a proxy, turn that off as well and see if the website opens normally. In many cases, simply switching back to your regular internet connection will solve the issue right away. Once you've gone through these steps, refresh the page and test the website again. If it loads properly, you found the cause and fixed the problem. So to recap, clear your browsing data, try Incognito Mode, disable extensions, and turn off any VPN or proxy. These are the most reliable ways to fix an access denied website error in Google Chrome. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more easy Chrome fixes, and I'll see you in the next video.